Our natural resources. In our daily life, we use lots of things. Some of them are gifted by nature, while some of them are made by us. A thing which has some use to us is a resource. Natural resources. Nature has gifted us with many useful things: air, water, soil, forests, animals, minerals, etc. that we get from the nature are all natural resources. We use these natural resources to make our life easy and comfortable. A natural resource is something that is found in nature and can be used by people as it has some utility. In earlier time, humans did not know the utility of different resources. Slowly, they learned to convert these into useful and valuable resources. All natural resources are connected to one another in some ways or other. If one of these is taken away, it will surely affect the quality and supply of others. For example, if water is eliminated from an area, it will affect the flora and fauna. Natural resources are of two types. These are renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources. Renewable resources such as soil, sunlight, air, water, forests, plants, and animals are those natural resources which do not get completely exhausted and can be used again and again. They are usually much cleaner and are replaced naturally. Soil. The uppermost layer of the earth is called soil. It is a mixture of minerals, water, gases, and organic matters. We need soil for growing crops. Soil is the primary support for the survival of plants. Plants grow on land and they get water and minerals from the soil. All the living things, directly or indirectly, depend on soil for food. It provides habitat for animals such as earthworms, ants, and rabbits. Soil is used in varieties of industries like agriculture, construction, pottery, etc. Solar energy. Sunlight. Sun provides us with heat, light, and energy. It is the main source of life on the earth. It is a renewable resource and the biggest source of energy on the earth, as it gives us light and heat. Plants use the sunlight to prepare food through the process of photosynthesis. Solar power is the technology of obtaining energy from the rays of the sun. These days, solar energy is being used extensively where there is no power supply. Many villages are provided electricity with the help of solar power or energy. Wind energy. Air. We know that all the living things, such as human beings, plants, and animals, need air to breathe. The movement of air is called wind. Wind is an important renewable resource. Wind energy is used to produce electricity through windmills. Windmills convert the energy of wind into mechanical power, which gives out electricity by rotating a generator. Huge windmills are set up at many states of India, such as Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Kerala, and West Bengal, where there is a scope of fast-blowing wind. Hydroelectricity. Water. All the living things need water to survive. We need water to drink, bath, wash, irrigate fields, and for many other purposes. Water is a renewable resource which is revived through water cycle. Due to the presence of water on the earth, it is known as the blue planet. Water is also used to make electricity, which is known as hydroelectricity. Hydroelectricity is the electricity generated by the movement of water through water turbines. Dams are built on rivers and lakes to store water. The stored water is released through a gate. The force of the water is used to spin a turbine and to produce electricity. Water turbines convert the energy of running water into mechanical power to give out electricity. Forests and wildlife. The term forest refers to a large area of land where trees and other plants grow. Forests are a renewable natural resource. They are useful to us in many ways. Forests are home to a large number of plants and animals. Trees that grow in a forest can be renewed by planting new trees. We get wood, paper, fresh air, medicines, and other things from trees. Forests influence the climate by reducing the temperature of the atmosphere. It also improves the quality of soil and reduces atmospheric pollution. The kind of plants that grow in a forest depend on the climate and soil of that place. Plants and animals are the most important natural resources. We get food and other useful products from plants and animals. Plants provide food and habitat for wildlife. They give us food, wood, and raw materials to make many things such as medicines, paper, perfumes, and gums. Plants also keep the air clean and give out oxygen to support life. The roots of plants hold the soil and prevent it from being carried away by water and wind. Wildlife maintains the natural ecosystem, help grow plants by dispersing seeds through the fruits they eat, and pollinating varieties of plants. Domestic animals such as cows, goats, and sheep provide us with food, fiber, and leather. Non-renewable resources. Resources such as minerals, oil, coal, gas, and minerals are called non-renewable resources. If these resources are used once, they do not replenish easily and take millions of years to form. Non-renewable resources include petroleum, oil, coal, natural gas, minerals, etc. Coal. Coal is a non-renewable resource because it cannot be reused. It takes millions of years to form. It is a fossil fuel which is widely used for domestic and industrial purposes to generate heat and electricity. Coal is extracted from the ground through the process of mining. Coal is the largest source of energy for the generation of electricity. Apart from generating electricity, coal is also used for the production of steel and manufacturing of cement. Crude oil. Crude oil is a naturally found liquid beneath the surface of the earth. We get diesel, petrol, and other different types of fuel from crude oil. These are used to run vehicles and machines. Like coal, crude oil is also a fossil fuel known as mineral oil. Petroleum is also called black coal, as it is an expensive and limited fossil fuel. Crude oil is found under the seabed, so oil wells are dug to pump out the oil. An area with many oil wells is called an oil field. Bombay High is an oil field of India. Minerals. Minerals are non-renewable resources because they take millions of years to form. Minerals are those substances that occur naturally in the earth. They make up the earth's rock and soil. Minerals are also found underground. Some minerals are found at the bottom of the sea. A rock that contains minerals is called an ore. We get metals from minerals. The place where minerals are found is called a mine. Many things that we use daily are made up of metals such as iron, gold, copper, aluminium, and silver. Natural gas. Natural gas is a non-renewable resource because it takes millions of years to form. Natural gas is a fossil fuel formed from the buried remains of plants and animals. It is an important source of energy used for cooking, and producing electricity. Natural gas is also used as a fuel called compressed natural gas, CNG. Conserving resources. Resources are limited. They take millions of years to form. Though renewable resources do not get exhausted, it is important to keep them safe from getting polluted or wasted. Let us take an example, say underground water, a renewable natural resource. If we use or take more of it than what rain can add, its reserve will get exhausted, causing scarcity of water. In order to conserve our natural resources, we should keep in mind certain points. We should reduce uses of fossil fuels. We should develop and use alternate sources of energy. We should use coal and petroleum with care, as they take a long time to produce. We should save air, water, and soil from being polluted.